Welcome to class. Our lesson today is titled, What date is it today? At the end of this class, it's expected that you must have learned how to say the date in the Chinese language. 今天是几月几号? I would encourage you to see the videos on the numbers and months of the year because both videos are going to help you understand this lesson. Alright, we're going to go further on learning the words that are necessary for us on this class. 年 年 月 月 how. Right, it's important that I tell you that the Chinese format of writing the date is different from the British and American format. Right, so the year comes first and is followed by the month and the day. Okay, 年 月 how. Right, let's practice. 今天是几月几号? 今天是几月几号? Or you can ask it this way. 今天几月几号? Alright, let's see how to answer the question. 今天是7月6号. 今天是7月6号. Alright? And how do we answer this one? What day is it today? 今天几月几号? 今天是9月30号. 今天是9月30号. Alright. Other examples includes Christmas, December 25, 12月25号. 12月25号. Alright, my birthday, 3月19号. 3月19号. The Valentine's Day, 2月14号. 2月14号. That's all for today. If you found it interesting, please remember to subscribe and like and share. Invite your friends to class next time. See you. Bye-bye.